Today we're featuring a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. Got 56,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's this deep cherry pearl in color. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Small little nick there on the bumper. We'll make our way down the driver's side here. Everything here looks like it's in good shape on this side. A little nick right here on the bumper. Little wrinkle on the body on the tailgate there. A little one here. All through here. A few spots there. Alright, it does have equipped with a backup camera. It does have your tow hitch down here as well. Alright, we'll go ahead and make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good coming down this side. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside of the vehicle. Alright, it is a 13 with 56,000 miles on it. It is equipped with the stow and go seating. Two-tone door panel. The khaki with the dark brown. Power locks, power windows, power driver's seat with that khaki leather. Alright. Leather looks like it's in good shape. Just a small little rub right here. And a small little scratch right here. Just minor stuff. No big deal there. Alright, it does come with the key fob, the power lift gate, and rear power sliding doors. Passenger seat looks like it's in great shape. Right, no problem there. And here's your buttons for your power liftgate, sliding doors, universal remote as well. Alright, dual climate controls. Nice big screen there with your backup camera. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Bluetooth with steering wheel audio controls. Got everything turned on for you here. There's your dual climate controls. Alright, there's your big screen. Audio, let's see if we can get your backup camera. There's your backup camera. Alright. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 56,952 miles on it. Alright, we've had the air conditioner going out for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing cold there. Some more storage right here above the glove box. Alright, let's go ahead and jump back here to the back seat. Let's go ahead and take this key out. Here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Of course, we got the power rear sliding doors. Nice feature there, everything nice and smooth. Back seat leather looks like it's in good shape. Captain's chairs back here. Alright, and I'll get you another shot of the seats on the other side. I know it's a little dark. Go ahead and get you the back seat. Alright, back seats. They're the third row. Bench looks like it's in good shape. Alright, got your nice convenient power outlet. Alright, auxiliary port, USB ports, and a power outlet there. Alright. Go ahead and get your seat back down. It is equipped with the DVD player. Okay, and it does have rear heat and air as well. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout. Alright, everything's in really good shape. Let's walk over here, show you the power lift gate. We'll check out your storage back here. Well, if I can get it, come on, oh, there we go. Alright, everything back here is in good shape. Alright, your seats will fold down here as well. The third row will go down. Let's see if I can. There we go. I was pulling the wrong tab. There we go. Number 2 right here. You pull number 2, seats go down. Alright, it really opens it up back here. It is equipped with the flashlight as well. Okay, and here's your power lift gate. Push that. Nice and smooth coming down. Alright, no problems with that at all. Go ahead and open up this door. Nice and smooth there. Give you a shot of this side of the seat. I know it was dark on that earlier shot. So as you can see, leather's in good condition. Carpet's in good condition. And the passenger front seat as well. Alright, let's go ahead and give you a shot of your wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape, plenty of tread left on them. Let's shut this back door here. Alright guys, once again, it's a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. 56,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.